Hello children, welcome to channel Sube. Children, today I am going to discuss question number 2 from the MCQ part of 2022 or 23 Physics new syllabus paper. The magnitudes of two coplanar forces acting on a body are 11 Newton and 5 Newton. Which one of following values could not be equal to the magnitude of the resultant force? 16 Newton, 9 Newton, 7 Newton, 6 Newton, 5 Newton. So children, there is a theory regarding this question. So 11 Newton and 5 Newton are the forces we have been given. So this one is the most smaller one. The smallest one is this one, 5 Newton, between these two forces. So the resultant could be equal to this smallest force or less than that. So therefore the resultant could not be 5 Newton, and even below that 4, 3, 2, such a value can't get to the resultant. So the answer is this one. Or otherwise, if you don't know that, you can just check by using the parallelogram, and if we suppose the forces are to the same, both forces are to the same direction, then we have to add, then we have to add to get the resultant. So 11 plus 5 is 16. So we get this 16. So what they ask is what we don't get. So this one is not the answer. Therefore, if they are opposite to each other, 5 Newton and 11 Newton like this, then we have to take the difference. Then that means we have to subtract 5 from 11. Then we get 6 Newton. So we get then this answer. So this is this answer is, this one is not the answer, because what they ask is the value we don't get. Suppose they are perpendicular to each other like this, then we have to complete the parallelogram, and then this diagonal gives the resultant. So it is between 5 and 11. You can see it is between 5 and 11. So it might be 7 or it might be 9 even, because these two values are between 5 and 11, because they have not given the angle is 90 degrees. It may be any value like this. So according to that, we get a certain resultant, but it should be 11 and between 11 and 5. So these two we get. What we don't get is 5 Newton, because the influence of this other force 11 Newton makes the resultant higher than the least one, so it can't be therefore equal to the least one. So therefore the answer is 5. So let us check the question number 2. The answer is 5. So children, I think you can understand it. This question is not a big difficult one. So I think you must have chosen the correct answer on your own. But however, we have to discuss this question because we are discussing all the questions, even the first one. So children, I think you are happy. So if you haven't still subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, but don't subscribe twice, then it will be cancelled. Then what you can do, share my link among your friends, and then press the thumb up icon, and also press the bell icon. See you tomorrow 6 o'clock in the evening, children. Goodbye.